If sciatica keeps waking you up at night, it's commonly because your body's not properly supported while you sleep. I see this all the time with patients whose leg and lower back pain keeps returning through the night, even when they feel okay through the day. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 simple steps that you can take to reduce the sciatica leg pain at night while sleeping so your body stays supported instead of aggravating the pain. These are the same strategies I've used with hundreds of clients to help them sleep better when sciatica has flared up. Watch to the end of this video where I will show you a gentle stretch you can do in bed if leg pain does wake you up at night. This can help calm the leg pain to make it easier to fall back asleep.
Hi, I'm Dr. Whitney Wihlidal, a chiropractor in Orillia, Ontario with over 25 years experience and a background in gait analysis, biomechanics, and neurology. My mission is to provide a thorough solution to spinal problems that develop from an unlevel foundation, like anatomical short legs, spinal and pelvic misalignments and poor posture, and foot dysfunction. This channel is for people dealing with chronic pain like back pain, sciatica, neck pain, poor posture, headaches, and are looking for real lasting relief. You get clear step-by-step strategies to address the root cause of these conditions and start feeling better fast. Subscribe now for real solutions for pain relief, better posture, and a clear understanding of what's causing your symptoms so you know exactly what to do next. I upload a new video every week. If your sciatica pain starts in the lower back, how you position yourself at the beginning of the night matters. Start by lying on your back and placing a pillow or cushion under both knees so that your hips and knees are gently bent. This reduces the natural arch in the lower back, which can decrease pressure on the lumbar discs and help unload the L4, L5, and S1 nerve roots. When these nerve roots are under less compression, the sciatic nerve itself is placed under less tension, which can reduce the pulling, aching, and burning sensations into the leg. This position should feel supportive, not forced. You may notice your lower back settle into the mattress and your legs feel heavier and more relaxed in a few minutes. If the pain feels sharp or if it feels strained, the pillow may be too high or too firm. Adjust the height until your spine feels neutral and your body can relax. And if you're wondering what to do if you cannot stay on your back and you need to roll onto your side, keep watching. In a moment, I'll show you how to transition into a side sleeping position or even start there while still having the right support to reduce the tension on the sciatic nerve and help relieve the leg pain. But first, let's talk about what to do if your leg pain keeps coming back during the night, even after you fall asleep comfortably. This is one of the most common issues I see. Most people start in a good position, but as their body relaxes and shifts, the support disappears. When that happens, pressure starts to build again in the leg, and the leg pain returns. The goal here is not to keep yourself perfectly still, but to make sure that support is easy to restore when you need it. Before going to bed, have more than one pillow or cushion within reach. Different shapes and thicknesses matter. A pillow that works early in the night may not feel right hours later. When pain starts to creep back, try small, subtle adjustments rather than changing your entire position. Slightly moving a pillow higher or lower or adding a second pillow for extra support is often enough to reduce the tension and settle the symptoms. You're looking for a feeling of unloading or less tension instead of stretching or forcing anything. When the support is right, the leg pain usually settles rather than escalates. Now let's talk about what to do if you're a side sleeper like many of us are, or if you need to roll from your back onto your side during the night. The goal is the same as before. You want to keep your pelvis and legs supported so they do not twist and irritate the sciatic nerve. If you're starting on your back with a pillow under your knees and you need to roll onto your side, bring the pillow with you as you turn. As you roll, guide the pillow between your knees so it stays in contact with both legs. This helps prevent the top leg from dropping forward and pulling the pelvis into rotation, which is a common trigger for the leg pain. Keeping the knees supported maintains a more neutral position through the lower back and hips. You can also start the night like this if side sleeping just feels more comfortable. Place a pillow between your knees so that your thighs are supported from top to bottom, not just at the knees. The goal is to keep the legs stacked and the pelvis level rather than twisting forward. If you need to roll back onto your back through the night, keep the pillow close and reposition it under your knees as you turn. This allows you to move without losing support. I generally do not recommend stomach sleeping for sciatica because it often increases lower back arching and rotational stress. Next, we'll talk about how cold application before bed can really help calm irritation before the night even begins. Before you fall asleep, cold application can help calm irritation and reduce the chance of leg pain flaring up later in the night. Apply a cold pack to the lower back or pelvis region for about 15 to 20 minutes before getting into bed. This is best done with a soft, conformable ice pack wrapped in a fabric such as a towel.
This can help reduce inflammation, relieve sensitive tissues before you lie down. The goal is not to numb the area, but to settle things down enough so the irritated nerve is less reactive. You always want to place a thin layer of material between the cold pack and your skin, and ideally remove it before falling asleep. Many people find that by starting the night this way, it just makes their sleep positions more comfortable and helps pain stay quieter for much longer. If you find while you're sleeping at night that the sciatic nerve has started to ache, or that pain in the back, your lower back, or your back of your hip has started to really throb, here's a couple easy stretches you can do to help relieve that. Oftentimes what happens is when you're laying in one position, inflammation has started to build up, and it's either at the nerve root level or along the sciatic nerve, and it's just started to irritate the nerve, kind of like an acid or a vinegar type thing would be along the nerve root. So one way to ease that is as you're lying on your back, again with your knees bent and hopefully a pillow or cushion supporting your knees, what you can do is bring up the symptomatic side and cross that leg across the opposite knee. From that position, just take your hands around your knee and gently pull towards your opposite shoulder. As you do this, you want to just take a breath in, let it relax, and as you let the breath out, just put gentle pressure up again towards your opposite shoulder. You may feel a little burning in the back of the leg as you do this, but it should just be easy tension and not dramatic pain. So again, what you can do is just breathe in and breathe out, and you can do this 10 to 15 times. Once you feel that start to ease, you can just relax and hopefully get back to sleep. If you find it's too hard to get your hands around your knee to do this, what you can do is you can use a towel, just have the same effect. Bring the leg across the best you can, wrap the towel around your knee, and again, using breathing assist, take a breath in, let it all out as you pull towards the opposite shoulder. Again, relax, breath in, and let it all out. Repeat this as many times as you need to, but hopefully that movement will just help take away some of the inflammation to let that sciatic nerve relax and let the pain diminish so you get back to sleep. Give these sleeping tips a try and see how your night goes. Let me know which one gave you the most relief. And drop a comment below if you found value in this video. Please like and share so we can help other people who may be dealing with sciatic pain at night. And remember to subscribe if you want real solutions for pain relief, better posture, and a clear understanding of what's causing your symptoms so you know exactly what to do next. If you're looking for an easy to follow stretching routine to help relieve sciatica during the day, the next video you should watch is this one here. Go watch this video next.